Metal glass wood CNC router 4Axis VFD 2.2 kW CNC 6090. Item specifics. CNC or not CNC. Model number CNC Router 6090 ZVFD 2.2 kW. Condition new. Axis: 3-axis 4-axis. Interface: LPT/USB port. Spindle motor power: 2200 watts. Type of screwball screw. Spindle motor: 2.2 kW VFD water cooling spindle. Engraving area: 900 by 600 Z-axis stroke: 125 mm. Collet type ER20. Repeat positioning accuracy less than 0.03 m. Maximum operating speed: 4000 mm per minute. Metal glass wood CNC router 4-axis VFD 2.2 kW CNC 6090 milling machine USB port engraving router. Production. CNC router is suitable for industry, technology research, advertising design, arts creation, teaching, student project, and hobby purposes. The CNC router is designed for large area engraving work such as industrial or hobby prototype building, building model making, PCB, advertising signs, artwork, crafts, aircraft models, RC model parts, etc. So, you can do engraving work at office or home. Thanks for watching. More details check in the description.